Hi guys, I'm super proud today because I reached 100 subs. Yes, thank you for everything, guys. I tried my best doing my videos, everything. Nah, um, I'm literally like about to cry. Yeah, y'all made my day. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Bye. This is an insanely good time. I'm proud that you're here. Everything. I'm proud of everything. This is super insanely good, bro. I love you. No. You're my best viewers. Then bye, guys. Oh my god, you're the best. Nah.